Hi, I'm Holly, and today I'm going to share a mindfulness technique that I call Take Five. This is a really powerful way when you're feeling overwhelmed to ground down in the present moment and draw your attention to what's happening right now using the five senses. So it is a great way to draw your awareness out of the thoughts racing through the mind or whatever stress or worry might be there and into the now. So find a space that feels safe and supported for you, and we'll get started. Good, so just begin by taking a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Good. Start by finding 5 things that you can see and gently repeating their names in your mind. Now find 4 things that are easily within your reach that you can touch and gently touching them. Now notice 3 things that you can hear and repeating their names in your mind. Good. Now you can gently rest your eyes and find 2 things that you can smell. And now notice 1 thing that you can taste. Inhale and exhale. Take a moment to check in and just notice how your body feels as you slowly open your eyes and return to the space around you. So I hope that this tool is something you can tap into when you need to redirect your awareness to the present moment, remembering that you have the 5 senses with you to help you ground whenever you need. Thank you, and I hope to practice with you again soon.